Rolex, the name itself speaks luxury, precision, and timeless craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned watch collector, a casual enthusiast, or someone who admires fine craftsmanship, you've probably wondered about the future of Rolex. And guess what? The future is looking brighter than ever in 2025, with new releases that promise to raise the bar even higher. From the highly anticipated GMT-Master II to the elegant Oyster Perpetual and the rugged Land Dweller, Rolex has something exciting for every enthusiast this year. 2025 marks a major shift for the brand as they blend cutting-edge technology with their heritage of excellence. The models we're about to explore showcase just how Rolex continues to redefine the world of luxury timepieces. So whether you're eyeing your first Rolex or adding another masterpiece to your collection, these new releases will certainly make you take a second look. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into all the jaw-dropping details of Rolex's 2025 lineup, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. The 2025 GMT-Master II. Travel in style like never before. Let's kick things off with one of the most iconic travel watches in history, the GMT-Master II. For decades, this model has been the go-to timepiece for globetrotters, business moguls, and adventurers alike, thanks to its ability to track multiple time zones simultaneously. In 2025, Rolex is taking the GMT-Master II to new heights with an updated version that promises to offer even more than before, both in functionality and style. If you've been waiting for the perfect blend of form and function, the new GMT-Master II will have you on the edge of your seat. The updated GMT-Master II will feature a refined, more powerful movement, ensuring even more precise timekeeping, which is essential for a watch that tracks multiple time zones. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Rolex is introducing a new range of vibrant color combinations that will be sure to catch the eye. Picture this, an updated blue and black bezel that will be the modern twist on the classic Pepsi colorway, or perhaps a bold red and black iteration for those who prefer a bolder, sportier look. What's more, the 2025 GMT-Master II will be crafted from Rolex's signature Cerachrom ceramic for the bezel, ensuring that the iconic color won't fade over time. In fact, this material is so durable that it's virtually scratch-proof, making it the perfect companion for your globe-trotting adventures. The design stays true to the GMT-Master II's legacy with its iconic 40mm case, but with some slight tweaks that make it more refined, ergonomic, and user-friendly. In short, Rolex is pushing the limits of what's possible in a travel watch. And if you're looking to make a statement while jet-setting across the globe, the 2025 GMT-Master II is one to seriously consider. The Oyster Perpetual 2025, where classic meets colorful. Let's talk about a Rolex that appeals to those who appreciate understated elegance with a pop of fun. The 2025 Oyster Perpetual. The Oyster Perpetual is Rolex's way of saying less is more. A minimalist design with clean lines, it's the watch that matches almost any outfit, any occasion, and every lifestyle. But in 2025, Rolex is cranking up the vibrancy. Think tropical green, coral pink, and electric blue dials. It's like Rolex is taking a classic timepiece and giving it a splash of modern-day personality. But don't be fooled by its minimalist design. Beneath the surface, the 2025 Oyster Perpetual still has the same robust in-house movement that ensures precision. Whether you go for the 36mm version or the new 41mm size, this model is perfect for those who want a watch that works as hard as they do, but still wants to stand out in a crowd. It's like a versatile piece of art you can wear on your wrist. So if you've been eyeing a Rolex but don't want to go too flashy, the Oyster Perpetual 2025 is the perfect way to add some luxury to your life without losing that understated elegance. Ready to make your wrist a little more colorful, the Land Dweller 2025 adventure awaits. For those who crave adventure, whether it's deep-sea diving, mountain climbing, or just exploring the great outdoors, the 2025 Land Dweller is the Rolex you've been waiting for. Rolex is known for creating some of the most rugged and durable watches on the planet, and this new model is no exception. With its 44mm case crafted from Rolex's signature 904L stainless steel, the Land Dweller can withstand whatever the world throws its way. And don't worry about water. This watch is water-resistant up to a jaw-dropping 1,500 meters. The new Land Dweller isn't just built for tough environments, it's designed with elegance and legibility in mind, even in extreme conditions. The dial is optimized for readability with large, luminous hour markers and hands, making it perfect for low-light conditions like deep-sea dives or high-altitude treks. Plus, it features the new Rolex Caliber 3235 movement, ensuring you can rely on it no matter where your adventures take you. For those who consider themselves explorers, the 2025 Land Dweller isn't just a watch. It's a badge of honor. It represents durability, precision, and the spirit of adventure. Ready to conquer the great outdoors with Rolex by your side. The Rolesor collection, the perfect blend of luxury and durability. Luxury meets practicality with Rolex's 2025 Rolesor collection. The Rolesor models combine the beauty of 18K gold with the durability of stainless steel, making them the perfect option for anyone who wants to make a statement while still getting a high-performance timepiece. Whether it's the Datejust, Explorer, or Submariner, the Rolesor collection offers a variety of classic Rolex designs that now come with a luxurious twist. What's so special about the Rolesor? It's all about that perfect balance of form and function. The addition of gold to the stainless steel case gives these timepieces a sophisticated and timeless aesthetic, while the stainless steel ensures that they are as durable as they are beautiful. Whether you're at a formal dinner or an outdoor adventure, the Rolesor collection allows you to look good while getting the best in craftsmanship. You don't have to choose between luxury and durability anymore. With the 2025 Rolesor collection, Rolex gives you the best of both worlds. Wouldn't it be nice to wear a watch that makes you feel like you're living the high life every day? Everose Gold, the timeless luxury you deserve. In 2025, Rolex is making luxury even more luxurious with the introduction of new models crafted from their signature Everose Gold. This proprietary 18K gold blend is exclusive to Rolex, ensuring that the color stays rich and vibrant for years to come. It's no wonder that watches made from Everose Gold are some of the most sought-after pieces in the world. The 2025 Everose Gold models, which include the Datejust, Day-Date, and Yachtmaster, will turn heads wherever you go. These watches exude class, sophistication, and refinement. Whether you're attending a high-profile event or just enjoying an evening out, the warmth of Everose Gold will ensure that all eyes are on you. Plus, the caliber 32-35 movement in these models ensures that they not only look great but perform flawlessly too. Everose Gold isn't just a color, it's a statement. It's for those who want to elevate their style while ensuring that their watch will stand the test of time, both in quality and in appearance. If you want to wear a timepiece that makes you feel like royalty, 2025 is the year to get your hands on an Everose Gold Rolex. Rolex's 2025 lineup is the ultimate in luxury and innovation. So whether you're a world traveler, a minimalist at heart, an adventure seeker, or someone who loves a little luxury in their life, Rolex's 2025 releases have something for you. The new GMT-Master II, Oyster Perpetual, Land Dweller, and Rolesor models showcase Rolex's ability to innovate while staying true to its heritage of precision and craftsmanship. And don't forget about the stunning new Everose Gold models that bring a touch of opulence to the lineup. With these new releases, Rolex is once again proving why they are the gold standard in watchmaking. Whether you're looking for a timepiece that's built to last through the toughest conditions, or one that complements your personal style, there's a Rolex for everyone in 2025. If you enjoyed exploring these iconic Rolex timepieces for 2025, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow luxury lovers. Subscribe to Luxury Unraveled for more exclusive insights into the world of high-end watches, luxury lifestyle, and elite craftsmanship. So, which one will you be adding to your collection? The world's greatest timepieces are waiting.